In this video, I'll be exploring the YouTube channel which I have created named as Power Tech Speck. Now, I have been receiving a lot of questions about uploading a video for a specific feature set by subscriber, but then there are mostly the videos are already there within the YouTube channel. So I'd like to explain you how to navigate to the YouTube channel. Now, if you want to explore and if you want to know the URL, basically you can go ahead in the Google and then you can just type in Power Tech Spec. The moment you type in Power Tech Spec, you will be navigated to this URL. So you just click on it, and this is the handle at the rate Power Tech Spec. Now here, this is the home page of the YouTube channel. Now, if you want to know more information about me, you can just click on this more link. Now, if you click on more link, here you will be able to see the description of the channel. Basically, this YouTube channel is provisioned to evangelize the community on Power Platform development, basically available to general citizens for building collaborative apps, services, tools, and utilities. And this is morely towards Microsoft based solution. So, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, Power Automate, Power Pages, Power Apps, Microsoft Edge, Dynamics 365 Customer Service, Power BI, Command Line, Tools, JavaScript, and plus many more. I explore various tools, utilities which benefit the community as well. So you might be able to see all those videos and tutorials for that as well. Now, if you want to subscribe to a channel, which I would highly recommend, you click on this link and you will be able to subscribe. If you have a request for a new video, you can click on this link. A Microsoft Forms will appear, and then you can start providing your video topic, like which video topic would you like to see in the channel, and what is the reason for request. Now, I'm not collecting any personal information, so you can just fill out this form. This is a simple form. Click on submit. Now, not necessarily all the videos which you suggest I'll be able to provide depending on the feasibility, but I would try to analyze it and try to uh, basically author video depending on how complex and how relevant that video is in the current world. You can also buy me coffee. You can click on this link. You can view the website. Now, I also have a website, girishuppal.com, which has a lot of contents around utility tools, productivity apps, and so on and so forth. So as you see over here under tools, I have API, list of APIs, datasets, gallery, periodic table, global tools, utilities, and under AI, I've got various links like Copilot Studio, Copilot Foundry, and then anything related to Microsoft around resources, YouTube channel, frameworks, programs. So all this information are aggregated from the internet, and I have kept it in one place. So if you get time, have a look into it. Like example, like say Power Platform Gallery. Now there are so many galleries that are available, or samples which are available, which you can utilize within your project. Now PCF Gallery, Power Automate samples, solution gallery. So these are all hyperlinks. You can navigate to that hyperlink and then utilize that particular utility or component or application. So it is all there in one place. Like say example, if you want to explore PowerShell Gallery, you can just click on PowerShell Gallery, and here this is a Microsoft site. Basically, it will allow you to download the package for PowerShell. So this is just one example. Coming back to the channel, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I like you can just send out me a request and then I'll accept that request. If you want to view my profile on Microsoft MVP, you can click on this link. I have a GitHub page and I have it just on GitHub as well. So if you navigate to just GitHub, here you will be able to see all the contributions which I've made to the community in terms of any specific technology or command or code or any other um, uh, source code for or maybe JavaScript code or maybe an HTML code. So all these things are available in the just git repo. Now that's about the profile part, and you can also explore other component as well. Now with regards to the video, now any video which I upload, I usually upload one video a day, and the video can be of any topic related to Microsoft tech mostly. So maybe I recently posted a video on SharePoint, AI Builder, Copilot. Then this was a tool for share image, ShareX, then SharePoint, then Power Automate. Now, here the first section is a video section, And then below, if you see over here, this is Copilot Studio. So anything which, if you are a Copilot Studio person, you can go ahead and view all the video related to Copilot Studio. Then there are multiple playlists over here, which I'm going to explain you shortly. And there are popular videos which people have really liked it and people have consumed this video. So this appears over here. Now there are so many videos. Like if you want to see the count, it's around 100, 1,300 as of May 2026. Now, if you want to see the videos which has been like say uploaded recently, just click on videos link, and then here you will be able to see the videos which has been uploaded. So you can just scroll and you can see all the videos that has been uploaded in the last maybe a year or so. If you want to say see the structured approach, click on playlist and say, take for example, if you are a say Power Pages person and you want to see the Power Pages video. Now, as you see over here, as I scroll, I have got two Power Pages playlist. One is Power Pages, and then we have a Power Pages Liquid. Now, if you want to explore Power Pages playlist, just click on View Full Playlist, and then from here, that playlist will be opened. And here you can search for any items which you want within Power Pages. So as you see over here, there are so many Power Pages videos. So image storage, force log of a user, view Power Pages analytics. So all these things are available. Now, if you want to search for something like a web link sets, you can go ahead and search that as well. So that's about the playlist. Now, if you again go back to playlist, you can also navigate to say Copilot Studio. So you click on View Full Playlist, and then from here you can pick and choose whatever video you want. Plus, you have an option to add this to the queue, save to the playlist, or maybe you get an option to download if you have that particular subscription. You can also play all of the videos as well. Now, if I go back, and if you say it's quite an overwhelming count, right, of video, and if you want to search for a specific video, okay, so maybe around Microsoft Clarity. So I'll just search here. This is an important thing. Now, the search which you see over here will search within my channel. And if you see the search over here, this will search entire YouTube. So if I just search for Clarity, then here you will get that exact video. So what I would highly recommend is, like, the moment you go into my channel, and if you want to have a specific topic to be searched for, like say I'll just say MCP, and if I search, I'll be able to see all the videos which I've done on MCP servers. So connecting the MCP servers to Copilot Studio, connecting MCP servers, exploring Outlook, debugging MCP servers. So all these things are already part of that result set. So you can see all these videos. Also, there is something called as a courses. So as you see over here, so I have built various courses for Copilot Studio, Power Pages Liquid, Fetch XML, Ribbon Workbench, Center of Excellence Kit, Customer Service, Power Platform CLI, Command Line, etc. So all this can be viewed free of cost. So there's no cost attached to it. Now, say, let's assume if I just go into say one of the videos. So if I go into how to secure data in Power Automate Flow. So, and if I open this video, now, as you see, this video is getting played. Now, just to make sure that you get a play option, you get a sound option, but here, this is the most powerful one. So you get CC. So that is closed caption. Now, say this video is now getting played. Now I have an option for CC. So I just click over here, and now here you will see it has come in some different language, right? Now you go into settings, and then from here subtitle CC. Now it has come in Bulgarian language. Now you can go ahead and say auto translate into different language. So you click on auto translate and say, take for example, if you are from Denmark, so Danish. So you want my video to be in Danish CC. So take for example, if you're scanning a identity document. So now you can see the subtitle is in Danish, right? So you can like that select various subtitles. So click on auto translate, and then from here you can just click whatever language you want. Okay, so that's about viewing the subtitle. But what about audio? Okay, now then you can use this feature. So that's one. This video is in English. Right now, if you speak different language, or if you understand different language, I've got this audio track over here. So you click on audio track, and then from here you can, this is already auto dubbed in Bangla, Dutch, Japanese, Malayalam, Polish, Russian, Spanish. So if you want to view this video and say Spanish US, you just click on Spanish US. De uso. De manera similar, también se puede usar para otros fines. Ahora bien, ¿cuándo se habilitan las salidas seguras, las acciones posteriores? Yes. So what I wanted to explain is, like, even if you don't speak English or don't understand English, you have an option, couple of options given by YouTube for enabling the subtitle in different language, which the language is there in, say, multiple. So you will see a lot of languages in CC over here, subtitle CC. You just click on auto translate, and then you see whole bunch of language. But if you want to view or understand or view the video in a specific language, there are limited options. But then if you speak either of this language, as you see over here, you will be able to view my video properly and understand it. So that's it, folks. This is all about my YouTube channel. What I would expect you guys to have a look into the YouTube channel, play around with the different settings over there, search for a video. I just wanted to record this video so that people understand, like, how to navigate to the YouTube channel, how to search for a specific video, and there are a lot of contents over there. And if you require any specific video to be created, do let me know. I've given you an option. You click on more, and then from here you can navigate to request for video, and then you can request for a specific video to be created. So that's it, folks. This is all about Power Tech Spec YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.